Hello everybody, this is Anna Sakparlidze from your Woodland Hills Rotary Club. Just wanted to show you how to use our Facebook page to promote our event that is going on March 11th and how to register for it. So first of all, when you're on your Facebook page, make sure you type in Rotary Club of Woodland Hills to get on the page. This is what will appear on your page, and you click on it and there you are. Make sure that this little button here, liked, is clicked on. This is the only way you will be able to get notified from any events or anything that's going on club that will be posting. So make sure you have clicked on that. Now if you scroll down, you'll see upcoming events, and this is the one that I'm going to be talking about today. So if you don't see it on your homepage here, then click on your left side events, and it will take you to our events page. And then on upcoming events, you click on this title, Chaos Conflict Kumbaya. Great, now you're here. What do we do? So make sure first you click that you're going to be going. Or if you're not going to be going, at least that you're interested. This will notify people around you that you're going to an event, and that will promote us on the social media. Another thing you want to do is share it. So when you hover over the share tab right here, you see invite friends, share in a messenger, share as a post. Please do all three, but you can first start as a share as a post. So you click on it, and that will take you share on your timeline to your timeline, and you can write whatever you want to write about this. This is a great event. Invite your friends. Please come join us. And then you click on post. And make sure here, instead of saying only me, that it says public, so everybody can see this and promote this. So that's one way. Secondly, you would be inviting friends. So you click on invite friends, and that will show you all your Facebook friends. So you just click on the ones that live in LA, and then you click on send invitation. Okay, let's do that for this 4. And then let's say you didn't finish your list, you can go back to it, invite friends. Oops, I clicked somewhere else. Sorry. Let's go back, invite friends again, and then it will give you a complete list again. So this is the best way to promote. In Messenger is great also because individually people will receive your message. So you can type in a few different names here and click on send, and that would send it to them. So hopefully this was clear. Let me know if you have any questions. Oh, I forgot to mention about how you would purchase the tickets here. Simple, just click on get tickets, quantity, and then you don't have to get out of this page. This is on the Facebook. This is where you would be purchasing your tickets. So you can buy through PayPal or other methods of payments that you have. Click pay, and you're done. Very simple, easy to do. All right, well, have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions.